Hi guys, my name is Monica and I work at Shoppers Drug Mart at the Beauty Boutique. I've been working there for a year and a half now, and it would be such a pleasure to be on the Beauty Pro team. Today I'm just going to talk about a couple of my favorite products. So I'm going to start with one of my favorite products, the Life Plankton Essence by Biotherm. This one can be used day and night. I use it actually right after my toner, before my serum. It's the best product to use, especially when the weather is changing. In the winter, we all need to balance our skin, especially when we get super irritated. Next, I'm gonna talk about my favorite foundations. I actually have a winter foundation and a summer foundation. My winter foundation here is the Double Wear by Estee Lauder. Amazing. It's super matte. It's such high coverage, but not like a cakey coverage. And my summer foundation over here is the Shiseido Synchro Skin Glow. This one gives such a beautiful natural glow. Sometimes I even mix them both together. It's nice, especially in the winter when I'm a little bit more dry. I don't want to be super matte and I want to have a little bit of a glow. Next, I'm going to talk about my favorite brow product. This one is the 24-Hour Brow Setter by Benefit. This one makes such a huge difference on eyebrows, especially when someone wants a little bit more volume. Very nice to apply, and it's not super heavy. I find that a lot of the brow gels now are a little bit heavier on the eyebrow. You feel like you have a gel on. This one does not feel that way at all. It's super light, and especially for someone with curly eyebrows like mine. Next, I'm gonna talk about my favorite loose powder by Smashbox. This one comes with a variety of shades. I use it in the light, and I like to apply it with the Smashbox loose powder brush. I love this brush because it has two handles. If you hold it from here, you get more coverage, and if you hold it from here, you get more of a sheer coverage, and it's super fluffy. And now I'm actually gonna talk about my favorite highlighter. This one here is the Lancome Dual Finish Highlighter. This one, I use it in a number 2 Luminous Gold. It's beautiful and it's so pigmented, so I didn't even apply any highlighter yet. This is just blush and bronzer, so now I'm gonna put my highlighter and show you guys how pigmented this highlighter really is. I use 2 different brushes for highlighter. If you want more of a precise application, I would use this one over here by Quo. And I have another brush by Quo as well, and this one is more of a fluffy brush. So I'm actually gonna apply on both my cheeks, but on my right cheek I'm gonna put with the precise brush, and on my left cheek I'm gonna use the more natural brush because I want to show you how the highlighter will blend with my blush because of this brush over here. Right, so more natural blends, and here is a more precise highlighter application. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and again, it would be such a pleasure to be on a Beauty Pro team by Shoppers. And if you are interested, go ahead and check out my Instagram page at MomBeautyXO. Thank you.